everybody, and welcome back to Tasty Home Cooking. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make delicious sweet buns. This recipe is very soft and delicious. You can eat this for breakfast, lunch, and even dinner. So let's get started with this amazing recipe. Here are all of your ingredients. First, add milk into a large bowl. Make sure your milk is warm. Now add sugar. Lastly, add your dry yeast. Mix it all together using a whisk. Once you are done mixing, place the lid and let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open your lid. Now add your egg whites to the bowl. Make sure you keep your egg yolks because we'll be using it later. Add salt. Add oil. Stir. Add flour little by little. Make sure you don't put it all at once or it would be difficult to stir. Mix. Once it starts coming together, move to a spatula. Continue mixing. Start using your hands to knead the dough. Once ready, it should be a soft, non-sticky dough. Place a lid and let it sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, we are ready. Start off by making little balls, as shown. Flatten it out and place cheese in the center. The cheese is just optional. If you would like, you can just have it plain. And lastly, roll all the sides closed. Repeat. Once you are done rolling your balls, make sure you leave it on the tray for 20 to 30 minutes. If you leave it, once you bake it, it will be much softer and fluffier. Spread egg yolks on top of the buns. Now add sesame seeds on top. Place in oven at 365 Fahrenheit. The buns will bake in 20 to 30 minutes. Done! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell. Enjoy!